Hi, so I'm going to talk to you about wastewater treatment. It's something that most people don't think about very much. It's very energy intensive and it's a hidden problem. Basically, what goes on in wastewater treatment is what you're seeing up there. That's a municipal plant. They are treating waste by blowing air into the water. Now, why do they do that? Because actually microbes treat our waste, and microbes like us need to breathe. So this process was invented in 1914, and until now there really hasn't been any suitable alternative to blowing air into water in a very energy intensive way. I'd like to introduce you to our product, Viva MFC. MFC stands for microbial fuel cells. And we're different than a traditional fuel cell. We're a combination of biologics and advanced materials. And what a microbial fuel cell can do is completely eliminate the need for aeration and the energy associated with it. We generate clean DC power while we're treating the waste in an energy neutral way, and it's better treatment. Now, the impact of this on the planet and the US is enormous in terms of energy savings. In the US alone, aeration requires over 74 billion kilowatt hours of power every year. So our special advantage here, we did not invent this technology, but we have figured out how to scale it. We've spent 4.5 years doing intense R&D and process engineering to develop a set of materials and a manufacturing method so that we can scale this technology sustainably and economically. We're competitive with the existing status quo. Our focus has been on the advanced materials. So in the last year and a half, we've developed a lot of traction. We've done quite a few pilots where we've been in the field. We've identified our first market entry, which is food and beverage processing, which is a very large market and also very energy intensive. We've been working with a craft brewery for a while, and they are probably going to be our first customer. We're working with them now to eliminate their aeration system and replace it with Viva MFC. We're also working on, we're about to start a paid municipal pilot, and we're working with several other potential customers, and these will all come around around the end of the year, the beginning of next year. Our market entry timing is early next year, as I mentioned, and we are focusing on food and beverage. We will start out with smaller customers, smaller companies that do manufacturing, and work our way up, and that will give us credibility and experience to work with larger customers around the same time that we're able to come online with our municipal product. We too are looking for money. We are doing a small final angel round right now. We've raised $850,000 over the last 4 or 5 years, and this last angel round will take us through to a Series A at the beginning of next year. We're also not just looking for money capital, we're looking for some human capital. Corporate partnerships are very important to us, working with companies that have synergy with what we do. We also are looking for potential customers. If anybody here is involved with a food and beverage manufacturing plant, I would love to talk to you. And we're also looking for advisory board members in some specific areas where it could really help accelerate us. Thank you very much.